Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are talking about Doodle for remote teams. How to save time and stop sending so many emails just to plan one meeting. And before we begin, as always, make sure to check the description. I have added useful links, updated feature and tools you can use to get started with Doodle. If they add a new option later, I will update the description so you always get the latest information. Alright, so let's get started. If you work in a remote team, you know how hard it is to plan meeting. Someone is in one time zone and someone else is asleep. And you keep sending emails back and forth. You ask, are you free at 3 p.m? Maybe they answer, no, how about 5? Wait, what time is that in my country? It's totally mess. That's where Doodle helps you a lot. With Doodle, you can create time pool and send it to your whole team. You pick a few time options that works for you. Then everyone click the link and select the times that works for them. Doodle shows you which time is best for all. Very simple. No more 20 email just to find one time. And if you use Doodle Professional, you get even more feature for remote teams like time zone matching. It automatically shows the correct time to each person in their own country, so no one get confused. You can also connect your calendar, Google Calendar, Outlook, etc. This helps avoid double booking and shows real-time availability. For teams, there is also something called Doodle 1:1 or booking page. With this, people can book time with you directly, no need to ask back and forth. If your team is big or if you do a lot of online meeting, this saves hours every week. No more waiting for replies or missing people. One more good thing is Doodle works on phone and desktop, so your team can use it anytime, anywhere. So if you are working remote, whether as a freelancer team, a startup or even a school project, Doodle makes scheduling fast, easy and clear. That's all for today. I hope this video helps you. Please check the description for all the tools and setup link. Also leave a comment if your team uses Doodle or if you want help setting it up. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next time.